So this little guy, this little possum, baby possum, was caught on a glue trap. He managed to get himself free, but he was covered in glue. And he's fairly calm, but he's stressed out. So the wife gave him a bath to try to get some of his glue off of him, and I found a solution. It's working pretty well. We actually used vegetable oil, cooking oil. So there's a bowl of cooking oil that I'm lightly massaging his ears right now. You can see actually some of the dirt is coming right, or glue coming right off. He's lost a lot of hair because of his struggle. So what we're just doing is cleaning him off, and then we'll use dish soap to get the cooking oil off, and then make sure he's okay in eating before we try to either find someone that can rehome him or find a way to rehome him. We have named him Cakey because he was caked in glue and mud. You can see the little baby, he's doing okay. He's just a little bit stressed out. And this is why glue traps are not good, because they catch other little critters besides the pests you're trying to decimate from, get rid of because you're killing your garden or getting in your house or whatever else. So this little guy, we'll see if we can update you guys with progress later, but this is our newest little issue. So you can see actually there's like this clumps of hair and glue coming out. It's kind of sad, but yeah. This is our current project of the day that's getting in the way of stuff, so we'll keep you posted. Cheers.